Highlevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. And this is how we're going to use automations. So when someone books on our calendars, we can send them an automated email, even SMS. We can automate Google reviews. We can do a whole lot of things. And that can be especially useful for local businesses. So if you create them a booking automation, what we also can do is automate the Google reviews, send out a Google review link to the customer, so we can increase Google rankings for the local business, and they'll be happy because they get more customers and more money. So let me show you how we're going to do that. So firstly, go into a sub account, and you actually need to have a calendar. I just created a video on how you create all the calendars in the calendar playlist. Have a look. So let's go into automation. Let's create a workflow. We can call this the calendar. Okay, the trigger is going to be appointment setting. Someone's booked an appointment. Customer booked appointment. That's going to be, so if you type it in, customer booked appointment, press that, go to add filters, go to in calendar, pick your calendar. So let's pick the home visit one. That's it. Press save trigger. Now what we can do is immediately tag this person as someone who's one-on-one. We could tag them that they are a part of the one-on-one membership. Okay. Next, we can send an internal notification to the local business. Notification. So this notification will come through the mobile app called Lead Connector, which is free mobile app that Highlevel connects to, and it's like the whole software in your pocket. So we can put the contact full name has booked a meeting on the one-on-one calendar. So what we can do here is just put the contact full name. To put here to notify the customer. Contact full name has booked a one-on-one MMA session at. Put the time that the appointment is. So appointment start date and time. Then you put here the contact details, contact email, and we put here contact phone. Go to contact and particular user. You could put my client's name is Uwais Khan, so we can press save action. So that will notify him and not me. Next, we can send an email to the customer from Dawn MMA. From email, user email, which is his email. We could put here one-on-one confirmation. Say, thank you for booking, and so just fill this out with saying thank you basically for booking. Now what's really cool is that so 1 hour before the session we can remind the local business, and we can also remind the customer. So what we do is go to add a wait step, time delay before, so 1 hour before. So we've got different sections. So what we can do here is we can add a time delay. So like 15 minutes after they book, we can send them something. We can wait before or after the appointment, and we can wait until before or after the invoice is due. We don't need that one, just this one. So before 1 hour before the appointment, we can send them an email. We can send the customer an email saying, so that email I just said, hey contact, our home session begins in 1 hour. I'll be arriving at your house expected time, blah blah blah. So that's 1 hour before. Then we can send a notification to the local business owner saying, give him a notification saying contact so let's say John's one-on-one home session begins in 1 hour. Put the contact phone. Okay, so he will get a notification saying the home session begins for John, begins in 1 hour. Here's their details. Okay. Now what we can do is 1 hour after the session, we can send them a Google review link. So let's do that. Let's wait 1 hour after. So event after, let's say after 2 hours, we can send them what we can do is send them a review request. We can send it through SMS and save. So what that does, if you've integrated your Google My Business account into Highlevel, so once we wait for 2 hours after the appointment, we can automate and send them a Google review request. Okay. Next, what we have to do is publish and save. Now you can play with automations however you like. That's like a very simple way. If you sign up to Highlevel through my affiliate link, you'll get all these benefits here. Essentially costs you nothing. You get all the mentorship and all the help from me one-on-one. If you want any help with automations, drop in the comment and like the video. It helps me out. And yeah, thank you.